Now this is very important. The microstrand, as I showed in other videos, which is here, the invention of the microstrand comes in different millimeter openings. All right, this here as an example is a 20 millimeter opening, and the millimeter opening is done and customized according to each area of your head. The area that needs more hair, the millimeter of the opening gets smaller, down to, like, let's say a 7 millimeter or an 8 or a 9 or a 10. And then in another area where you need less hair, the millimeter gets larger, therefore we're contributing less because you're contributing more. And this gives a precise amount of volume in each area of your head to create a perfect balance. So the millimeter distribution is very important and plays a very important part in customizing. Like I said in the previous video, fingerprint customization, this plays a very important part, the different millimeter openings. And there's a millimeter opening that's an M20, that means a 20 millimeter opening, an M15, an M13, an M10, an M9, an M8, an M7, all the way down to an M1, which as I have, is for a bald area. And remember, these are mixed. You get many different millimeter openings in different areas of the head to create a perfect balance and a perfect distribution of hair in conjunction with yours. So please remember that detail. It is very beneficial to everyone while keeping your hair healthy.